Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, as usual on Monday, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So here mostly we need just tactical update because the things that we talked about on the daily chart, on the weekly chart mostly stands the same. Because the activity in the recent couple of sessions was not really very significant and mostly just intraday chart has changed. As we already have got the major entry point and theoretically we should get already the bullish positions. This update mostly could be interesting for those who have missed the opportunity to take the long position. Now a major point and now a searching chance to go long as well. So we start from the daily chart as usual. On the daily, just two things to mention. First of all, this reversal on the bottom of the right arm is taking the feature of the reversal session. Let's take a look. Market has created the new lows, but closed above the top of the previous candle to the downside. That is reversal feature. It means that upward continuation here should happen at least in the target of the engulfing pattern or something of that sort. So usually it leads to extension somewhere the same distance as the length of the candle itself. Within this upward action, you can see market doesn't show any moderate retracement. Even the 3-8 level has not been reached and market stands flat today, then turns up again. But now it's coming to, let's call it as a neckline that we set with this head and shoulders pattern. And here we have that 30% major level from this top to this bottom. So maybe here we could get some, not really very extended, but at least some pullback, which those of you who are considering taking the long position could use for taking the position. At the same time, we do not expect that this drop will be too significant because actual market has already been formed. It has formed the pattern, and currently actually this is the point of the breakout. So because the right arm already has been formed, market should break the neckline to proceed higher with the hand and shoulders pattern. That's why if market will stop here for some time, it probably this stop will be very short term. And maybe some pullback here will happen, but hardly it will be too significant. And that's common things that we have currently in the market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see our background for the trade. So that is our ABCD pattern. As I said, this will give us, as a result, great guarded steeple to buy, which is a part of the head and shoulders pattern. Here we have some kind of the reversal feature and take a look. It's really straight upward action without any significant retracement. Here's more flat action. Yesterday we've got opportunity to take the long position, but I don't know whether you have used it or not. Market right now is creeping high, coming right to the previous tops here, and here it's where the actual neckline stands. So what levels we could consider for taking the position? Take a look at the hourly chart. Theoretically, initially we could think about these levels, right? So let's pull back for the 30%, but currently, guys, I think that it's not very probable, particularly the 30% retracement in current circumstances. At this point, to get the 30%, it's more probable than here, because market here stands right at the moment of the breakout. Some pullback before neckline will be, but it's hardly will be significant. Yesterday we've got great guarded steeple to buy, take the position. Now I think that it would be better to consider closer standing levels. So for example, you could consider levels from somewhere from this point, okay, 30% support stands 74.25 approximately, and 618 support from the most recent swing. They create consolidations. John Napoli calls it as a confluence support. Well, this level seems more probable to reach because it will not challenge the recent upward action, because the market will drop lower, raising the whole upward action. This will be not good for the hand shoulders, since this action will be actually not will not correspond to idea of the hand shoulders, because market should start breaking up of the neckline. This deep retracement in such circumstance will be not a really good sign. But reaching of the 74, well, looks relatively probable. It's not really very deep retracement, and that's the level that you could consider for a possible upper direction, especially if it will be kind of the same kind of the ABCD pattern here, minor garbage triple to buy will be formed. Well, that's something to think about. So of course we do not want to see really very significant drop, fast downward acceleration. That will be not really good sign for the head and shoulders, and it could mean that something is wrong with the pattern. So it's as you know, any head and shoulders pattern could fail if market will break below the bottom of the right arm. Currently, we do not consider yet this scenario because I would not see the signs of that. But any pullback out from the neckline on the right arm, right here, should be small. It should not be very significant. Well, that's the setup that we could consider currently on the Bitcoin market, because currently the overall context stands bullish. Price behavior on the daily chart is also bullish, as well as the pattern, and we actually currently is watching for this ABC bottom deep action target approximately around 82 area. So as we said earlier when we just talked about these patterns, was probably before the Christmas holidays. So that's our view on Bitcoin. Let's see what we will get this week.